Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I am a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain, and for today's look that's very easy and very classic. I pulled out my newest edition of Natasha palettes, and it's a microscopic, no I cannot say that, it's a very cute small holiday ornament kind of palette with 3 colors, and it's cute, it's lovely, and it's very nice to have. If you want to see how I did this look, please hang in there and I will show you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm gonna start by showing you the super small palette, the Glam Palette, and it has to be like a micro version because it's smaller than the mini. This is it. I dipped my Refer number 14 into the transition shade. That's the lightest shade in the palette. Let's see if it even shows up. I don't think so, even though I have very light skin. I don't think that this actually is gonna show up. Nah. Can't really see anything, can you? So I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner here on my mobile lid, so to speak, my inner part, just to lighten that up. Well, it's not doing anything, but I'm just gonna put it there anyway, okay? This is it. Now let's see if we can get the crease color to show up. It should. I'm using the same brush and I'm putting it in my crease. Just blending it into the invisible color I just put in. Yeah, I'm gonna need more for sure. I'm gonna put some more on of the transition color, and I'm mainly gonna focus it on the outer corner here. I pulled out my Scott Barnes brush number 63. Let's see if we can get something out of this. And this is a metallic shade. And I'm just gonna use it as an eyeliner on my lower lid and then blend it into the eyelid here and up to the crease, but not into the crease, just up to the crease. Like this. Oh, we have some fallout. I dusted off some of the fallout, and now I'm gonna go in with a black liquid eyeliner because this look calls for that. I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eye and then go into the middle of the eye here and just fill it out. This is what it looks like with liner and mascara on. I did not put mascara on the bottom lashes, and that was on purpose because I'm going to put some lashes on and show you what that does for the look. I'm going to come back with some falsies on. Here you see the finished look with some false lashes on. I am now gonna show you the look with a full face of makeup. This is a final look with a full face of makeup. On my lips, I have the Pat McGrath Labs lipstick in the color Elson, super classic red, and one of my favorites of all time. My cheeks, I have the Divine blush in the color Electric Bloom, and on top of that, I put on a little bit of highlighter, the golden color from the highlighting trio, also from Pat McGrath. I'm now going to put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on, because after all, like you know already, I wear glasses. Now, this is it. Super easy, super fast, very classic look using the Natasha Denona Mini Glam Palette or Micro Glam. I'll figure it out. Anyways, if you like this look or this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any good ideas, if you have any questions or comments, whatever, please put it in the comment box. If you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. And now I just want to say thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video, and I wish you an awesome day. Take care. Bye. Mwah.